Hey y'all, it's me, Sheldon Strickland here with the Supply Chain Automation Workforce Hub team. Now the team visited SkillsUSA, which took place in Atlanta at the Georgia World Congress Center. Now at this event, we had the opportunity to speak with a lot of employer partners. Also, we were able to see the youth and their talents that they were able to display at this conference. Let's take a look.
The Supply Chain Automation Workforce Hub, powered by Manhattan Strategy Group, recruits and trains skilled workers in supply chain automation and advanced manufacturing. Known as the Hub, it collaborates with employers, educational institutions, and workforce organizations, providing technical assistance and marketing for registered apprenticeship programs. Project Manager James Price and team members Ashley Jackson and Sheldon Strickland represented the Hub at the 2024 SkillsUSA National Leadership and Skills Conference in Atlanta, Georgia, celebrating career and technical education excellence. SkillsUSA, a partnership of students, teachers, and industry professionals, ensures a skilled American workforce. Events like NLSC build connections and promote essential skills for the future of our industries.
And there you have it, a small recap of SkillsUSA. Now guys, please do not forget to engage with us by visiting us at our website at www.scworkforcehub.com. Again, I'm Sheldon Strickland and I'm signing out, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.